Okay, this is a shower removal. This wall came out with a little difficulty, I will admit, primarily because of these fucking screws right here. Because they did it before they added the shower pan. So remember, they built the unit and then they dropped the shower pan in after and screwed it in. Now you can kind of see where this here is the gray water tank piece I'm imagining. That's why this is raised up off the ground, is because this has to be higher, because the gray water, the shower water, has to drain into the tank, which is right underneath here. It has to be right underneath this drain here and this drain here for the kitchen. Okay. So that's I mean, look, anything is possible in terms of the design of the shower. I mean, really. The way they have it situated, where you have to sit down to take a shower, is only because you conserve as much water as possible by sitting down. You can turn the nozzle on and off, and you put the shower nozzle, you know, all around your body, as opposed to standing underneath a flow of water, which wastes water. That's why these things are designed with seats, because you basically sit your dirty ass down there and you sort of like run the water on yourself to get yourself wet, turn the water off, and then soap yourself up, you know, while sitting there, doing your feet and all the rest of it. And then you go up to the nozzle, and then you release the nozzle, and then you rinse yourself off. You see what I'm saying? And that way you only use maybe a gallon or two at the most of water when you shower.